Hello, welcome to my channel and my workshop. Today we're gonna make some hinges. Hinges. Medieval-ish hinges. Let's just say medieval style hinges. Yeah, I know there's a ton of blacksmithing videos at the YouTube, but this is quite easy way which anybody can do. Just a basic tools. Let's see. And here is what we're gonna need. 8mm strong iron bar. Sorry Americans, we have a metric system in Finland. 2mm strong flat iron. Grinder. And burner. Oh, we're gonna need the forge. Yep. That's my forge. Now we're gonna start the grinding. We're gonna lose this part from here. Measurement about 35mm, and this is half from this bar, so it's 15mm. Here's the parts now. I grinded this tip a little bit thinner as the other bar and also made this. I'm gonna show you why I grinded this one and what I'm gonna do with this one. I said it will work. We have a problem over here. Steel bar is connected and hinge won't go to the bottom. Problem is over there. We need to take the grinder a little bit from here and here. Then it should work. Will it work or not? Okay. Houston, we have a problem. Dada, we have a hinge. Next part, we're gonna hammer this end of the rod a little bit, so it's gonna be like a mushroom. And when it's done, we're gonna cut it from here and do the same thing the other end. Few hammer strike later. Ta-da! Now cut and hammer. hot. So, just basically gently tapping over here with the hammer, but operating the camera and hammer at the same time, it's quite hard, so I got it here.
A few moments later.
Here's the hinge. It's not the prettiest, but it moves, and I said medieval-ish, and promised to show you the other end. Miserable failure, but it's not a failure if you don't tell it. I just tell it to you. Okay, thanks for watching. See you the next time. Hope you like it. If you like it, click like and you know what every YouTuber says. Thanks for watching.